Hi there, it's Carl here from Cleaning How To, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn a wooden floor from this to this using these two items of equipment that I have here in front of me. So the one that I'm leaning on is called a Pro 35 C or B. That is two brushes that spin towards each other. So contra-rotating brush system, or C or B. So these two brushes spin towards each other. It's a very, very big, expensive deck brush. And the floor that we're dealing with is covered in 12 years of detergent and dirt emulsified that has just built up layer upon layer over 12 years onto the floor. So the patch that I've done and cleaned in the adjacent room has been reset, and you can literally see the delineation between the dirt and detergent emulsification and the cleaned floor, which the planks now look beautiful, vibrant, and are refracting the light back. The room is actually physically brighter as a consequence of the reset clean. So what I'm using is, believe it or not, plain water and the brush system to do the job. So I'm just going to demonstrate exactly how that brush system is working and how effective it is. So as you can see, the machine is after breaking the bond of the dirt and detergent to the floor. The brushes are after agitating the grooves of the wood, the grain of the wood, clean. Now I understand not everybody is going to have a Pro 35 C or B machine. So the other option that you do have, which will enable you to do it, although it's going to take a little bit more effort, is a stiff deck brush like this. And while it is going to take you longer to do it, and a lot more elbow grease, it is actually functioning and it will actually do it. Now if you're going to go this route, you need to have a wet vac to pull up the slurry. I'm using a carpet cleaning machine with a special hard floor wand attached to it. But if you have a wet vac, you're going to be able to pull the slurry up. So that's pretty much it for how to deep clean a wooden floor and remove all of the detergent residues from it. Carl here from Cleaning How To. Thanks for watching the video.